Okay, here we go. We'll be doing an open box. This should be, just got this package from Amazon right now. This should be the casemate, the 309 backpack, their DSLR backpack. So I ordered it through Amazon. It's supposed to be a super reasonable price. There's the receipt. Yeah. And I ordered it yesterday and got it today, so it's pretty cool. Through Amazon Prime. So I went ahead and it was only like $3.99 extra to get it overnight. So I went ahead and did that. Turn it upside down so I have something to sit this on. And there we are. Cool. Looks like a respectable size. Pretty lightweight. Forgive me while Okay, yeah, there we are. The Case Logic SLR backpack, but it's the DCB, the DCB 309, as you can see there. Yeah, if it'll focus. There we go. And you can see the specs on the tag there. Check that all out. Cool. So it got here super fast, man. Can't complain at all. Looks like a decent quality. I'll do a review of it here in a second. Okay, here we go. We'll be doing an open box. This should be, just got this package from Amazon right now. This should be the casemate, the 309.